Today, we will talk about annual reports, how to read and write them. An annual report is a document that public corporations must provide annually to shareholders, detailing their operations and financial conditions. It contains a combination of graphics, photos, and narrative, as well as detailed financial and operational information. Annual reports became a regulatory requirement after the stock market crash of 1929 to provide public disclosure of a company's operating and financial activities. They are typically issued to shareholders and stakeholders to evaluate a firm's financial performance and make investment decisions. The annual report contains key financial information that measures a company's financial position and conforms to generally accepted accounting principles. Fundamental analysts use this information to understand a company's future direction. In the case of mutual funds, the annual report is a required document that discloses certain aspects of a fund's operations and financial condition. It is a source of multi-year fund data and performance for shareholders and prospective investors. An annual report begins with a letter to the shareholders, followed by a description of the business, industry, audited financial statements, and notes to the financial statements. Most public companies hire auditing companies to write their annual reports. An annual report is similar to the 10-K filing in that both report on the company's performance for the year. However, annual reports are more visually friendly, while the 10-K filing primarily reports numbers and qualitative information. A 10-Q filing reports the quarterly earnings of a company to the SEC. Public companies must file a 10-Q to report their financial position for the quarter. Public companies use annual reports to show their financial conditions and operations. These reports can be used to examine a company's financial position and understand its future direction. Registered mutual funds must also distribute a full annual report to their shareholders each year. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. An annual report is a corporate document that spells out the company's financial condition and operations over the previous year. 2. Legislation was enacted after the stock market crash of 1929 that made the annual report a regular component of corporate financial reporting. 3. Registered mutual funds must distribute a full annual report to their shareholders each year. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.